Hi, I'm Jack, and I'm a professional window and door installer. Now, I hear you've been procrastinating about purchasing new windows for your home, and I'm here to help. Now, who's got questions?
We really need new windows, but the thought of going from store to store just makes us put the whole thing off.
I understand. You should call Renewal by Andersen. A design consultant will come right to your home for a free consultation. The shop-at-home experience makes it easy, and the design consultant will help assess your needs. Then, you'll be given a price that's honored for 1 year, so there's no pressure to buy. Questions?
You know, the installation worries us. Who will be coming into our home? And what about the mess?
Renewal by Andersen installs every window they sell, and all of their installers are master certified, so you'll get a perfect fit every time. The installers will treat your home as if it were their own and will protect your floors and furniture inside your home, as well as grass and plants outside of your home. When they leave, the only difference will be your beautiful new energy-efficient windows.
Seriously, aren't all windows basically the same?
All windows are not the same. Renewal by Andersen has an exclusive superior framing material called Fibrex that's twice as strong as vinyl. Fibrex is a composite made of 40% wood fibers and 60% polymer, so it has the strength and durability of wood, and the polymer makes it maintenance-free.
We need new windows, but I don't think we can afford them. Maybe we should wait.
Don't wait. Right now, buy one window, get one at 30% off and a free upgrade to heat lock glass. Plus, no money down, no interest, no payments for 12 months.
Hi, I'm Steve Davidson, local owner of Renewal by Andersen. Stop procrastinating and start enjoying the beauty and energy-saving benefits of Renewal by Andersen windows. Give us a call today.
We put the wow in windows
And patio doors, too.